What's going on, everyone? My name is Mark Milano, and welcome to episode 2 of Pocket Edit Sundays, where I show you guys some sick on-the-go photo editing techniques that are really going to make your photos pop and look awesome. So as you can see here, I'm up on my Instagram at Milano Digital. I'm plugging it up in here. You guys can go ahead, follow that, link in the description. But as you can see here, I do a lot of InstaGrid, and that's what this video is going to be focused on today. How to make InstaGrid straight from your iPhone, because a lot of these have been made on Photoshop on my computer, but there is a way you could do it on your iPhone. So as I scroll down here, there's going to be 2 InstaGrids once it loads up. So I have the one at the Phillies game and I have one at the Eagles game. And the thing about these InstaGrid, they were edited on my phone, and then they were also taken and edited, cropped straight on my iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So what you're going to need is an app called GridPost. It is free. Now, you are going to have to pay a couple dollars if you want to remove their watermark from the post. I recommend going ahead and doing that. But the first step that you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to select your photo. So we'll go ahead, we'll do that real quick. We'll select the photo we want to use. So this is the photo that I want to use. I like it because it has him really focused on the iPhone, and it makes for a great InstaGrid. So what's so great about this photo is when I scroll it up, the phone where he is focused is going to be in the dead center, which is great because then you don't necessarily have to have his head in the picture, where usually you kind of want to have a person in the photo. This is what kind of makes it stand out for an InstaGrid, is because dead center is him whole body focused, and that's what I wanted to do with this InstaGrid. So what you could also do on the app though is there's all these different designs. You can go ahead, you can select one. Now I don't have a grid like this where I have all these different designs. You could go ahead, if you wanted to change the colors, so I'll just do that, and it did the color down the bottom. You could kind of bring it all the way out if you wanted to, but I don't necessarily like that. You could also go ahead and mess around with the blocks of it. So this would be a crazy InstaGrid where you would definitely annoy your followers if you had all of these photos being posted at one time. So what I like to do is the 3-to-1 InstaGrid, where I just post 3 photos at a time, and it doesn't annoy everybody and make them mad at me. That's just the way I like to do it. This is what we're gonna do. Make sure I have a dead center. I can't bring it up anymore. I could be like this, but now I like it dead center because you are still seeing his face in the middle. So what we're gonna do is go and we're gonna hit the next arrow up here in the top right corner. And just like that, we're go time. But you could actually, if you wanted to, add different videos or change the photo even, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hit continue. And now it's time to upload them to Instagram, which is really easy to do. You just literally hit on the number here, hit copy to Instagram, and then post. I wanna click on my feed, go like this, hit next, go ahead, hit next, copy to Instagram, feed, hit next, hit share. We're gonna do it again for this one. For the final photo, hit copy to Instagram, hit feed, hit next, hit share. And look at that. Now on our Instagram, we have an updated feed. Just like that. Took literally a couple of minutes. So you could just edit the photo straight from your phone, then put it up in the InstaGrid app there, or the Grid app, and it's easy. It's just that simple. Now you have an awesome grid on your Instagram that's really gonna make your feed pop out and stand out. And that's what you want on Instagram nowadays. You want your feed to stand out because everyone's kind of looks the same. So let me know what you guys do with your Instagrams. Hit me up, follow me on Instagram, tag me in your InstaGrid post, and I'll go ahead and I'll like them, and I probably will give you a follow. My name has been Mark Milano. Drop some constructive criticism down in the comment section below. Always open to that, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'm out.